Today we will be testing a Donchian channel strategy.
Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Donchian channel strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 517 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Donchian channel strategy. And so the source video says this Donchian channel strategy beats AI indicators. And in the source video, they do a pretty significant testing process on this particular strategy. But it's always my interest to see how easy it is to throw a strategy on screen and just test it or trade it the way a source explains it should be traded. And so I think that is a good way to test things, because often we get new people or new traders who aren't very experienced looking for a strategy, and the ease of being able to trade something or put it together really weighs a lot on its value. Now let's just go ahead and hide the indicators we have on screen. And what we have for the first indicator, obviously, is the Donchian channels. At least that's how I say it. I believe I put it in a pronunciation thing once, and that's how it should be said. I could be wrong though. So if I'm saying that wrong, I apologize for kind of chopping up the name or pronunciation of it there. And so we have the Donchian channels on screen. We'll just call it the channels indicator. And we have the bias turned off. So just go into the settings, go into the styles, and just turn off the bias. Everything else stays on the default settings. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be an EMA. This is a standard exponential moving average. And so it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this is set to a 200 period. 200 period, and the style, you can make it whatever color you want, just so it stands out, and whatever line weight you want. I chose purple and a little bit thicker line weight. The last indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the ATR bands indicator. And it's going to be this one right here by Alexander TH. I'm not sure if that's all the name, but it's going to be that one there. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And what we're going to do is jump into the settings, and under the inputs, we're going to change the multiplier upper to 2 and the multiplier upper to lower to 2 as well. Then go ahead and click OK. Before we take a look at a few trade setups, I'd like to introduce our newest partner. This is Will from Will Trades. He is a very talented and profitable futures and prop firm trader. With over 6 years of experience, every single morning, he is helping his Discord team become just as profitable as he is. Each morning for his entire Discord team, he points out the key levels where he is looking to take the trades for the day. Not only does he call out those key levels for everybody on the Discord, but he calls out exactly when he is taking those trades in real time. So everyone on Discord can take those trades in real time side by side with him as he is calling those out. And just to show you what is possible when you join his Discord, I've been going through the profits that is posted by his team every single day. You can get a risk-free 5-day free trial when you sign up using the link down below in my description. And when you use that link down below in the description, not only will you get access to Will's Discord, but you'll also get access to the Academy of Forex Discord absolutely free with all the benefits, including the free trial to our indicator that comes with joining that Discord. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for when price is trading below the moving average. And so you can see here, price is below the moving average. Once we get a close below the moving average, then what we are looking for is the price to break the lower band of the channel's indicator. And you can see that we get the break right here. It's kind of hard to see, but if I hover over this candle here, and you look at the numbers right above my mouse, if I can speak here, that is the channel's indicator there. And you see if I hover over this bar, you can see the second number is 84247. And if you look up here at the numbers right above my mouse, those are the open, high, low, close of the current bar. So if I hover over this one, you can see that the close was at 84229, which is below that 8247 of the channel's indicator, showing that it is indeed below that channel. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take a position, short position, there we go, and we're going to set our take profit at the lower ATR line or band, and our stop at the upper ATR band should be right at a 1-to-1, like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see we get a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for price to be above the moving average. Now, in this particular case, we kind of get a 2-for-1 type setup. So price breaks and closes above the moving average right here. And as it does, it's also closing above the channel's upper band right here. And so again, we meet both of those in one candle setup there. So what we're going to do is set up a long trade, put our trade here, put our stop just right down here at the lower band, and our stop right up here at the upper band for a 1-to-1 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so this one takes a dip, rides really close to our stop for a while before it makes this push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again.
Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video.
All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trades, and out of those 50 trades, we had 24 winning trades and 26 losing trades. So that's going to put us at a 48% win rate. And so with the 1-to-1 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $14,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $15,600 for an overall P&L profit and loss of negative $1,200. And so it didn't work out that great. Now, maybe it was just because it was a 15-minute time frame. I'm not really sure, but the ease of use was pretty simple, wasn't too hard, but the profit and loss just wasn't quite there, unfortunately. Now, during the same period of time, we did 19 trades with the Academy of Forex indicator. We had right at an 81% win rate and a total gain of right at $9,000, so definitely better results.
You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements. almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner. Now it'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now.
Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.